All right, welcome to No Winning. Today's video is gonna be installing this weird shaped box here. We bought this, damn, it's been like a year, maybe more than a year ago. So we bought this before we got the Tesla. It's been sitting literally for a year. Why we've had it that long, I have no idea why. But we're gonna install it here on all El Silver carrito. It's supposed to be like a heat shield kind of mechanism thing that cover the underneath where the splash guard originally went. We took off the splash guard years ago. We're trying to determine if this is going to be the reason why we've been getting some overheating issues, because we've been thinking that it's because of the heat from the asphalt, because here it's been getting to about 110, 112, 118 degrees or so. So we're thinking that we're absorbing additional heat from the asphalt up into the oil pan and to other things. But I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's also a pretty cool setup. So we're gonna see if we need to use the existing pieces that were used for the splash guard now with this new heat shield, splash guard, whatever you want to call it. Another reason why we don't have a splash guard on is because Subaru. Yeah. The Subaru dealership was trying to take off a splash guard and I guess broke the head off one of the bolts that actually holds the splash guard up. So we went to the store, bought some drill bits. We're gonna mock it up first to see if we even need to drill out that piece before we waste our time and money. Well, the money it's already been spent, but the time to get it on. And once we get it on, that's it for today's video. Yeah, we're starting off late today, so it's a little cooler. Let's see if we don't. Oh, you ready for this or what? I'm ready for this one, dude. If I can get these flies stop flying in my face. All right, here you go. Ready for mine? Oh, cheers, sir. After the previous cheers we had.
Oh yeah. Damn, that one was really good.
Celsius, if you ever see these videos, please, I would love a sponsor. If you don't even gotta pay me, just give me Celsius. I'm okay with that.
The new Oasis.
And cola. And cola, yeah. If you ever get to see this, please, I would love this. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna figure out where this goes. We're gonna unbox it and yeah. Ready? Going?
Go for it.
All right, changing location because it's kind of a bigger box than we're normally used to. We're normal, man. I guess that's what some good fajitas will do to you. All right, this is the first time I ever see what this is since I've ordered it. I actually don't even know what the hell it looks like anymore because it's been a little over a year. So here we go. So far it looks like it might be two pieces, or maybe, I don't know.
No.
Here, put this in your pocket.
Oh wow, that's nice actually. 3. Wow.
3 pieces, 2 pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, well I guess this is gonna be like
Right by the.
Right here, and that for the underneath, and I guess it's like the oil pan access or oil filter drain plug. Yeah,
That's cool.
Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna go, so
Stay tuned.
yeah, let me look at the instructions. Tell me what the hell I'm doing. Underneath.
Okay, I'm recording.
Looks like we got like a bag of bolts, a bag of nuts, sack of nuts. Maybe there's an instruction manual in here. No, it's just my order information. Good job. Yeah, this is for the for the STI.
Oh, sorry.
We're out. Here we go. This is all we got.
Yeah. All right. What you got?
I'm gonna mock this up. I'm gonna have to unmount this thing here, plug it, and then mock it up a little bit better. All right, what I'm gonna do is I kind of rigged this hellehorn here because I had mounted the front mount intercooler here, and I had initially mounted them up here in the front. But as you can tell, it's not working at all. So I'm gonna unmount this. I'm gonna cut all my bumper holders here. These little black circles here, they function very, very well, as you can tell. I'm gonna cut all that out. I'm gonna unplug the hellehorn, probably route it somewhere out of the way for now, and then mock up the first piece. What it's saying is it says to mount that one main bolt back here, and then mount it with 2 other bolts here, which I'm gonna figure out what they are, and then yeah, I guess continue working from there. It's kind of weird. The instruction manual is like 2 pages long, and there's like 10,000 words on there. So yeah. now. Okay, well.
Oh, some spaghetti there.
Yeah. I'm probably just gonna run them up here for
Oh
now.
yeah, that was that's cleaner. Yeah.
Okay, got that one down here. And the way that I understood it is it goes with this going up this way.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, the frame's higher. Yeah, okay. Okay, that makes sense.
So, by the looks of it, we are gonna need that bolt. I mean, this is gonna happen. So, out of the 2 bolts that we need, one of them is completely stripped here. The head is gone. So we wanted to mock this up to make sure that we weren't wasting our lives away. So let the life wasting begin. Okay. And that's a wrap. Well, I'll see you back next time after these few messages.
All right, so we bought a speed out. There we go. I'm using a number. So it zooms in here. Number 3.
Alrighty, sir. What are you working on?
Got my Milwaukee drill, owned by Ralph.
This right here. See?
Oh, yeah.
See? Thank you, Subaru dealership. I appreciate your honesty.
Okay, I'm gonna make a notch here with the 1/8 drill bit. Scared. .5 threads per inch.
I don't know if you can see these little C-clamp thingies. There's 5 of them. We kind of already placed a few of them around here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Obviously, you want the nut on the top, right? So, just gonna wiggle it in. Once you wiggle it in, it's in. If I can even get it in. Okay, there you go. And then the other one on top over here. Get my hella horn thing out of the way. Okay, and oh, one a little too far. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna mount them up. Line them up, mount them up, and this will hold it in place because we're gonna mount 2 of these bolts here. One of the ones we drilled out here, right? But this piece also is gonna hold the back plate because the back plate only has these 2 mounting points and the one in the center over there where your original splash guard would be, assuming you had a splash guard. So I'm just gonna put a couple of these threads here a couple of these bolts here to hold it in place. I want to hold it. Okay, so over there, this is gonna go something like that. It won't go like that. It'll go like that. So this bolts on here go on the top. Right, and then the one that you have access back here, right there.
To the front. Okay.
And
It's in.
we figured out how we're gonna use these leftover bolts. Right, there's some like side shields or heat shields or however way you want to call it. They kind of mount something like this. This little hole so you can run your ground wire through, and then it has like an open slot up here on the top. I'll need to open this up. Yeah, this one's this side for sure. Oh, finally got it here. Okay. Maybe. Oh, look, a little scorpion thingy. Here.
Oh,
That one?
earwig.
What are they called?
Earwig. Oh yeah, this fits good. What do you think?
There we go.
Grab book, give up.
Oh. There you go.
It's in.
Okay. So guess what size we're using? Only live once.
Okay.
Okay, this one is.
I don't touch this.
Now it's on there.
Damn, boy.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it should go. See?
Alright. Alright, well, if you made it this far, thank you for making it this far. We did one of the first installs that wasn't brakes in a while. I'm kind of glad that we're finally getting back to working on the cars. It's just been really difficult for us because the average temperature outside is like 110, 115 degrees outside. So we cook pretty quickly at 115 degrees. So we're working on getting some more videos going for you. So this is the first of many for the silver car. We're gonna be kind of jumping back and forth between the silver and the blue, just to keep content coming through. And then maybe occasionally something for the Tesla. I mean, there's only so much we can do for the Tesla. So we got videos for the Acura going, we got videos for the blue STI, videos for the silver STI, video for the Tesla, videos for the Forester. And we're just gonna try to keep moving, trucking through and help us get on our road to 1,000 subscribers. Right? If you haven't already subscribed, help us get to that 1,000. And thanks for watching. See you next time.